Hi friends, I'm Dr. Ryan here and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. If at all you have not subscribed to my channel, I kindly request you to subscribe my channel. Dear friends, today I want to discuss with you regarding the improvement of mental focus. Now many a time you might have heard focusing on an issue, focusing on a thing, and many a time you might have also heard that to some people to focus it becomes very difficult. Now many a time what happens, distractions, all this create a problem where you are not able to focus. Remember dear friends, mental focus is as important as you develop your inner capacity to do something in a better way. Now what happened, if you are not able to focus, you are not able to carry out your work in a proper way. Now what you have to do to develop this focus, to develop this mental focus, what you have to do? Now for example, I want to give you a simple example. Now many people you might have seen, they go to gym to develop their muscle. This mental focus, or what I can say is focusing, is also like a muscle which you have developed. You have to make it strong. As you make it strong, your focus becomes more good. Your focus becomes more increased. Now for example, how you will come to know that your focusing level is very good? For example, if at all a task is given to you, any task, no matter, I will not mention here what task it is, but if any task is given to you, you are able to divide the main task into small tasks and you are able to finish each task in a very systematic way. And when you do the task, if you are able to take proper breaks in between and smoothly you will carry out the task, it means that your focus level is very good. If any task is given to you, if you are unable to make it small task, if you are unable to do it, if you daydream regularly, or if you start some task, you are unable to end the task, then somewhere you need to understand that your focusing level is bad, or you need to really improve your focus level. Now dear friends, let me tell you in a very simplest manner how to improve your focus, how to improve your mental focus. The first thing, as I told you in the beginning, distraction. Distractions are always bad. Sometimes, maybe in some occasions, distractions might be good, but in majority of the occasions, distractions are bad. Now dear friends, you need to understand what type of distractions you are facing. Maybe when you work, when you are in family, when you carry out a task, when you do one assignment, who are the people who are giving you distraction? Whether they are people who give you distraction, environment is giving you any distraction, you need to really assess it. Many a time I feel and I want to tell you that some of my friends, when they do their PhD or when they are in the final stage of their PhD, they prefer to sit alone, they prefer to go to a place where they can really finish their task in a very systematic way. So what happens is that during this time, the kind of loneliness you require to finish your task. That is why you need to really understand that what type of distraction which is really bothering you, or what type of distraction is really creating more problem to you, where you are unable to concentrate, where you are unable to carry out your work. Maybe sometime what happened, because of the distraction, you will start with the task but you are unable to finish the task. That is why, dear friends, it is very important for you to understand that understanding the distraction, coming out of the distraction and trying to solve this distraction problem first, because otherwise if you are not able to solve the problem with the distraction, then you are unable to focus. Because what happened, this distraction will shrink your focus. This distraction will not allow you to focus. That is why try to find out what are all the area, whether there are people, whether it is an environment, whether it is a situation, whether it is a place which is creating a distraction. Try to come out from the distraction. Then dear friends, I will definitely challenge you, you will be able to improve your mental focus. Then next very important thing is that you might have heard something called limiting your focus. Limiting your focus is nothing but you should always be concentrate on one aspect at one time, because friends, you know that you cannot take many things together. If you take many things together, you are unable to finish it. That is why I said you in the beginning, taking a main task, dividing it into different tasks and starting one by one, then you're able to finish it properly. Similarly, limiting your focus in the sense, I want to give you an example here. You might have heard the concept of spotlight. You know, during these weddings, during these main events, you know, there will be a spotlight. Why they put that spotlight? Because you should see only that part. Maybe when somebody is coming, they put the spotlight so that you can see the part. Similarly, your mental focus should be something like spotlight. You should start doing one thing and you should finish doing it. If at all you know, if there is no spotlight, what happens? You will see many things. Then your mind is distracted. So mental focus is something like that. You should act like that spotlight. When you take any task, when you do any work, when you take any assignment, when you take any project, you take up any work, you should work like a spotlight. That should be the first priority. Then the work has to continue. And dear friends, important thing, being a counselor, I want to tell you, always try to live in the moment. Many a time what happened, the major reason, the major drawback for mental focus is that we don't live at the present. We don't live in the, we live in the past and we live in the future. So what happened is that either we think a lot of future or we think a lot of the past, but we don't live in the present. We don't live in this moment. So that is why, friend, enjoying the moment is very important. Living in the moment is very important. That is why I request you to live in the moment. Just imagine what you have to do present, what activities you have to carry out in the present. That is very important. Next important thing what you have to do is meditation. There are different types of meditation what you can do. So that is why I tell you, practice meditation. That will really help you to develop your mental focus. So dear friends, these are the issues which I want to tell you. These are the simplest issues I want to tell you which helps you to develop focus. Sometimes, dear friends, what happens is that there are many psychological reasons which will, or I can say, which will not able you or which will enable you to focus in a proper way. During this time, it is very important for you to consult a counselor. He will be able to guide you in a better way. So that is why, dear friends, I request you to follow these things. For example, eliminating distraction, limiting your focus, living in the present moment, practicing meditation, and one important thing, to have a better focus. If you really want to have a better focus, you need to properly evaluate your anxiety and your stress. I think this will definitely help you to focus in a better way. Dear friends, as I told you, this is my YouTube channel. If at all you have not subscribed, I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel and share among your friends. Thank you.